Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Telegram. First, locate and download the Telegram app from your device's official app store, whether it's the App Store for iOS or Google Play for Android. Once downloaded, open the application. You'll be prompted to start messaging, which initiates the registration process. Make sure you have access to a valid phone number, as this is essential for creating your account. Next, you'll need to register your account. Enter your phone number, including your country code, into the designated field. Telegram will then send a verification code to that number via SMS. This code is crucial for confirming your identity. Carefully input the 5-digit code into the app when prompted. This step ensures that your account is securely linked to your phone number. After successful verification, it's time to personalize your profile. You'll be asked to enter your first and last name. This helps your contacts identify you on Telegram. While optional, uploading a profile picture is highly recommended to make your account more recognizable. Choose a clear image that represents you. Once these details are set, your basic Telegram profile is complete and ready for messaging. Now that your account is set up, you can start connecting with others. To send your first message, tap the pencil icon, usually found at the bottom right of the screen, to initiate a new chat. You can then select a contact from your phone's address book or search for a specific username. Telegram offers many features, including creating groups, joining channels, and using secure secret chats for enhanced privacy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.